Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video we're going to install both slabs and all the trim pieces. We're going to begin installing our aluminum head anchor cover. This must be installed before the jamb covers. The notch on this piece is going to indicate the exterior. This side is your interior. We're going to insert this side first and snap it in here. Now it's time to install the aluminum threshold cover. The notch is your exterior. This side is your interior. We're going to insert the interior side first and snap it down on the exterior side. Now I'm going to install the aluminum jamb anchor cover. This is the bottom of the jamb cover. You can tell because it's cut in an angle to fit above the threshold. This component will be on the same side as your active slab. I only received one of these jamb covers because I ordered this door with a low profile sill. I'm going to install this cover the same way as the head and threshold cover. Now it's time to install the black vinyl jamb anchor covers. Where it's notched out is going to face the exterior. We're going to insert the rounded side first and then press in this side to snap it in. You might need to use a blunt probe to apply pressure to snap the cover in. Now we're going to follow the same steps on the opposite side. Now it's time to unpackage the slabs. Flip the panels right side up if needed. Now I'm going to unpackage the second slab. Now it's time to install the slabs. I'm going to lift the slab up and set it onto this hinge. The middle hinge has already been loosened, so you can get it out of the way and then set it later. Be sure to set the top hinge and bottom hinge at the same time. It's now time to slide the hinge onto the mainframe pin. Once all the way down, tighten these screws with your hex key. Now it's time to follow the same steps on the opposite slab. Now I'm going to follow the same steps, sliding the middle hinge down and tighten the screws. To recap, we've now hung both slabs and installed all trim covers. In the next video, we're going to add our handles and show you some of the adjustments you might need to make.